Good morning, you guys. So I just got out of bed like 10 minutes ago, and it's gonna be a productive Saturday because I have to clean the house. I'm gonna make dinner tonight, and I'm gonna make 2 YouTube videos in one day, so let's get that done. Right now I'm just eating my cereal. I literally just woke up. I've been sitting in bed for like 2 hours, maybe with G. He just went to work. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna finish this bowl of cereal, and then I'm gonna watch some Gilmore Girls while I eat, and then we're gonna start cleaning. My mom's clothes in the dryer, and then I like pre-wash the wash machine because every time I use it my clothes get so messed up. I don't even know. Okay, so the room is clean. Basically, I have nothing to do until the washing machine is done. So I'm gonna take pictures of all the clothes that I have. I have all of this crap. AT&T, and basically they couldn't do anything for me, so they're sending a technician to come Monday, which is in 2 days. But I mean, it's not a big deal. It's just like we're not gonna have internet for another 2 days. We haven't had internet for, I swear to God, like a month. So I guess I'm gonna have a lot of time to edit this video. I'm just gonna start getting ready for the day, like do my makeup and my hair and stuff like that. So okay, I totally forgot to share with you guys what happened. So I was gonna do my makeup, but I ended up not doing it. I just put mascara on and eyeliner, and I brushed my eyebrows. And then I made my avocado toast, but I ate it all already. So good. Okay, also just a tip, like grocery store tip. I got the mini avocados, and I swear to God, they have more like avocado than the big ones. Cause this is a lot. Like, look how thick that avocado is. Now I just need to finish washing. I'm waiting for the dryer, and then that's done. And then I need to call one more place, but I'm kind of like, I don't really want to call. Okay, so we're a little bit more put together. I already showed you everything, but the bed just finished, so I just put that down. I folded the white clothes, and now I'm just gonna chill, clean a little bit more maybe, and then I did do one other thing on my list, but they didn't answer, so I can't do that. And then now I just have to do like 3 more things, but basically we're almost all done. I just finished the laundry. Now I'm gonna make food in like 15 minutes. Right now it is 8:45, so at 6 I'm gonna start making food, so that'll be ready by the time Joe gets home. The only thing I didn't do was post everything, all the clothes and the books on eBay and Depop, but I mean, I can do that really anytime. I just gotta start making dinner, and I'm basically done. Dude, I'm waiting on the sheets to be done. Yeah, I'll update later. Okay guys, let's keep in mind that I don't live by myself. I live with my family and Gio, so the house is a little messy, so don't judge please, because I don't want to hear it. Yeah, so we're just gonna start making the spaghetti. Okay, take a bite.
It's good, man.
You haven't even tasted it.
It smells good, like really good. Actually really good.
Did you doubt me?
It's good,
or
no,
what?
it's good.
You doubted me, huh?
I didn't know it.
With the pasta last time?
Yeah, I knew you.
Are you serious? I just freaking washed.
Oh, you're right here.
Oh yeah, let's go with you. Okay. So this is the end of the video. We got a lot of stuff done. I'll see you next time.
You guys ever drink these?